Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, you're welcome, and welcome to my old subscribers. So today I am going to be making some boiled plantains and some sauteed spinach. To begin, I am going to be using a combination of ripe plantains and some unripe plantains. I do not want my plantains to be so sweet, so that is why I am mixing the unripe plantain and the ripe plantains together. To start, I am going to remove the back of the plantains. After taking off the backs of the plantain, I am going to transfer it to a pot of water, add a little salt, and I will cook the plantain for 10 to 15 minutes. Then drain the water and set the plantain aside. I am going to be using some dry fish for my sauteed spinach. So to soften the fish, I am going to soak it in some hot water, drain the water and set the fish aside. Next, I'll be using some peppers and I will just blend the pepper and set the peppers aside. I'm going to use these peppers for the sauteed spinach. And now to start making the sauteed spinach, go in with some palm oil in your heated pan and go in with the pepper mix. Saute this for about 2 to 3 minutes. Combine the pepper mix with the red palm oil, cover the pan and cook for 3 minutes. Next, go in with some seasoning. I use crayfish powder, some seasoning powder, and allspice. Combine everything together. Then I am going to go in with the dry fish, then some washed spinach. You can replace the spinach with any vegetable that you have available, like kale or ugu leaves. Next, I am going to combine the spinach and the peppers and fish together. I am just gonna cook this for 2 minutes because I don't want my vegetables to be overcooked. And after 2 minutes, this sauteed spinach is ready and this is what it looks like. I paired it together with the boiled plantain that I made earlier. Thank you so much for watching and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe.